Hello guys. Welcome back. This is Mask Edit. Do you want to take your edit into new level? You are on right place. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe.
First, tap on the clip, select a frame and freeze it. Then go to Overlay. Add this overlay. Then go to Splice and set it to Filter. Go to Effects. Add Glow to. Go to Object and set it to Overlay. Duplicate. Go to Overlay. Add this overlay. Remove the green background. Go to Object and set it to Overlay. Then go to Text. Then go to Fonts. Choose the elegant BLK font. Go back to Text and add a description of the skill. Set the text color to black. Then go to Animation and set it to Type 2. Set it to 2.0 seconds. Export. New project. Trim the clip. And go to Effects. Add Blur 3. Go to Adjust. Set Speed to 100, Glow to 0, and Texture to 0. Add to Keyframe. Set Rotate to 35.